Welcome. We are in Gallery Steinitz. We're very happy to show you what is our family history. And in particular, the objects selected by my mother because they were so dear to her and everything about her was chic. Both my parents were people who started from nothing. Her eye was attracted by, some details. It was unexpected. She knew how to spot the pieces. She always made fun of me because she thought I was too much about pairs and putting things together and too predictable in a certain way. And she had that great elegance of just throwing something and it would look fabulously elegant. And it's a great pride to always meet with people during our exhibitions in Maastricht or in the gallery. They always remember my mother and her generosity. We do love every single piece because they were selected by her. And for example, the pair of delicate consoles by Jean-François Leleu, which are typical of her and unexpected for Leleu because he's known for his very goût grec. There's also a wonderful vase by Pajot, who was one of the great bronziers in the 18th century. She told us to carry on the life of those objects which are meant and made to live much longer than us.